Very good morning. I am Dr. Reginam Linus, Associate Professor and HOD of Electrical Engineering Department at Sanjay Godawat University, Kolhapur, Maharashtra. Under this modeling of electrical machine series, last lecture we have learned about how one can derive this voltage equation of induction motor in DQ reference frame, where the reference frame is rotating the same speed of the stator, and how one can derive this equation in this voltage of stator and voltage of rotor, and there we assumed that rotor winding is fictitious in the stator. Like that we have derived the 6x6 matrix. Then we last class also I have given that guidance that how one can write this torque equation. So today we are going to explain how we can derive this torque equation from this voltage equation. Okay, so let me share my screen. I hope my screen is visible to you. Yes, my screen is visible to you. In the last class, we have learned that voltage equation, in the sense we have voltage dq S, which is S, is equal to resistance in dq S, which is S, in the current in dq S, which is S, plus inductance in dq S, and rotor is which is S, in the d by dt of I dq SF, then plus G dq SF in the I dq SF in the electrical speed omega R. So this is nothing but not omega R, only omega. So we can use this common term omega R E. So this is electrical speed, not mechanical speed. So in this case also all are electrical speed. Now we need to write this power equation. How we will write this voltage into power? We know that current into voltage is equal to power. Voltage into current into voltage. Product of voltage and current is power. Accordingly, all are this is matrix. All are this is matrix. All the variables are matrix. Then except this omega RE, all are matrix. So how we can write this matrix form of power? Power we can write I dq SF transpose in the V dq SF equal to I dq SF to SF transpose in the R dq SF in the I dq SF plus I dq SF plus I dq SF transpose in the L dq SF in the d by dt of I dq SF plus I dq SF transpose in the G dq SF in the I dq SF in the omega R E. Omega R E, right? So now we can write this is the input power. This is the input power. Then this is nothing but resistive loss. Nothing but resistive loss. This is the magnetizing. Due to that, we have to magnetize the stator and all. So accordingly, we have this magnetizing power based on this inductance. Then this is our output power. So now we can write output power. Output power. We have power. Output power. We can derive it as torque into rotor speed, mechanical rotor speed, that is equal to, we can write this equation IDQ SF transpose GDQSF then IDQSF into omega electrical. Then what is omega electrical? Omega electrical is nothing but P by 2 times of rotor omega R. Therefore, this omega R will cancel. So we can write torque is nothing but P by 2 I DQSF transpose GDQSF into IDQSF. Right? In this previous equation, we have what is the value of G matrix we have written right here, 0 0 matrix, G1 G2 matrix. So let me copy from here this G matrix so that we can write this torque equation. We have torque is not equal to P by 2 into IDQS transpose means we have IDS, IQS, then I naught S, then a rotor is which is yes, therefore I have written IDRF, IQRF, the I naught RF. Then we have 6 cross 6 matrix. Then we will 6 cross 6 matrix. We have all are first 3 rows are zeros, right? First 3 rows 1 0 0 0 0 0 0, then 0 0 0 0 0 0, then 0 0 0, then 0 0 0. Then we have remaining G1 G2 matrix 3 by 2 MSR minus 3 by 2 MSR. Therefore, we can have 0 3 by 2 MSR 0, then minus 3 by 2 MSR 0 0 0, then 0 0. Then we have this G2 matrix. This LR plus 3 by 2 LMS totally we can write it as rotor inductance. Therefore, we can have 0 minus LR 0. Sorry, this is plus LR 0. Then minus LR 0 0 0, then 0 0, then here we can have IDS IQS, then I naught S, then IDRF, then IQRF, then we have I naught RF. This is the matrix. If you multiply it, we will get torque equation is 3 by 2 P by 2 MSR into IQS IDRF minus we have IQRF into IDS. We have IDS. This is the torque equation of this induction motor. Whenever the reference frame is rotating in the same speed of the stator, this is the torque equation. So in this next class, I would like to explain that how to write this induction voltage equation of this induction motor in DQ reference frame by observation. We no need to go through this tedious process from ABC to alpha, beta and DQ. Already we have done this alpha, beta. Same way, how one can write this equation in this DQ reference frame. I hope this topic is understandable, and those who have not subscribed this channel, kindly subscribe it. Wish you all the best. Thank you.